What if you could take an idea and turn it into a real product in minutes? In this video, I'll show you how to build a viral YouTube title generator using Deepseek AI. Let's get started. Coming up with a viral YouTube title is tough, but AI can help. Our goal is to build a tool where users enter a YouTube title and AI generates 10 viral variations instantly. In this video, I'll show you how to create this tool using Deepseek AI. First off, let's head over to Deepseek. This is an AI-powered chat assistant that can generate code for us, just like ChatGPT. Now we need to craft a prompt that clearly defines our requirements. Here's the exact prompt I'll use. Now let's see what Deepseek will generate. Deepseek has given us the completed Flask app code. Now let's copy it into VS Code and run it. Start off by creating all the required files and directories. Then copy code from Deepseek into the appropriate files. Once you've copied all the code, head over to OpenRouter to get a free Deepseek API key. Make sure that you also get the Deepseek API base URL and model name. Finally, let's run the app and test it out. Open your browser and head to localhost port 5000. And that's how you can turn an idea into a real product using Deepseek AI. If you found this useful, drop a like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you on the next one.